Are you fucking retarded?
No.
They can go fuck themselves. We should just nuke them. I meant, come on, Cam Mannion, get closer. Get in for that close-up 60-minute shot. That's too close. That's way too close by a lot. Okay, back up, back up, back up. Now, recreationalized nukes, I'm not suggesting we allow for a Tsar Bomba to be recreationally used, because that is simply too big to be recreational. You know, it's similar to a bazooka. You know, you can't have one of them for recreate. Wait, can you? Can you have a bazooka? Recreate? Probably in the United States. Okay, scrap that. A Tsar Bomba is not too powerful. However, I think it needs to have limits on where you can use it. Only in national parks. Okay, I'm going to Mexico. Camanian, we're gonna go hop the border, the US-Mexico border. Now I know a lot of haters may say that this is not the climate that they have in the US-Mexico border. You're dumb. Degenerate. Camanian's a degenerate, ladies and gentlemen. Did you know that? Do not zoom or I'll kill you.
Copy that.
Love to hear. So I could go further without being too small?
I mean, if you're looking at the 9 squares, you are like a third of one of them in height. What?
I'll stay right the fuck here.
Dingo, dingo.
Don't smoke PVC, kids. I fucked that up. I'm gonna restart. Ladies and gentlemen, cameraman Ian is he's to be honest, I've never seen anything in my entire life. Fucking cameraman Ian. What a fucking fuck, I hate God fucking damn. There's one thing I hate more than now, ladies and gentlemen, as I was saying, recreational nukes are very important to legalize because of all the benefits. You know, a lot of parts of the world deal with overpopulation. Not in people this time, but in wildlife. Imagine how much wildlife we could eliminate with one simple nuke. Recreational, of course. We wouldn't want the DNR getting hold of a non-recreational nuke. That would be bad. I'm gonna kill you. Okay. Now, recreational nukes, definitely less powerful. You gotta have a much bigger one, which makes it much harder to conceal. Now, I know a lot of the libtards are not wanting recreational nukes because they're afraid that we're gonna go bring them to school, show them off to our friends, accidentally hit kaboom, and then the school's gone, the city's gone. That's no good. That's not true. It's simply false. It's a fabrication. Recreational nukes are very important to our society. Now, I'm a strong believer in the Roman Republic. I think it's time we go back to that. And the only way I see that possible is through recreational nukes. I think that's how we can achieve it. Wait, I think there's an actual trail over there. Huh. Let's go see the actual trail. It does involve crossing the drink. Camanian. This is a nature documentary. Now you see this here? You know what that is? That's a rock. See this rock? It's definitely a springy rock. See that? That's freaking epic. You don't see that every day. Okay.
Hey, wait. Come back.
Why?
Stand right there.
No.
Just act really shocked and then point.
fucking dumb. They're not putting this in the video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you see that spot right down there? That's where I hid my last dead body. I want to get to the other side. Come on. Definitely recommend realizing that that is wet right there. Okay. I could maybe get it right here. There's a bigger chance that I get wet. Do I just YOLO it? If it wasn't so steep, I would. I could do it there.
Hey, just do that one.
What?
Right there.
It's like all mud. I wouldn't come further.
Can you really?
Really. Is that a rubber band? Nope, it's a worm. Oh, the worm is... Do you ever feel like a plastic bag floating through the...
I walk to Burger King.
The worm is definitely holding on. It's pretty epic. Okay. Oh, booger. That was pretty epic parkour, huh, Cameramania?
Yep.
Oh, God. Oh, it's muddy. You. There was definitely a better route. God, who put all these rocks here?
Hold on, bro. Got a great shot.
Does that mean keep walking? Dude, that was an accidental dab. I hope you caught that.
Nope.
So that was epic. I like dabbed to catch my balance. It wasn't like that, but it was like a... That was epic. Are we back where we started?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Act really confused.
I mean, yeah, I think we went in a big loop. That was fucking dumb. I didn't even know this was a trail at first. That was a good shot, though. I mean, the lens isn't going to capture it right, but... We're going to Dairy Queen.
What? Say we're going to Dairy Queen?
We're going to Mexico, you idiot.
Uh-oh.
Can't many it.